how to track the status of documents you've sent for signature in Docusign. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to check the status of your documents that you've sent for signature. So in that case, you have to first of all log in into your Docusign account. So go ahead and type in www.apps.docusign.com. That's going to take you to the official web page. Make sure that you're logged into your account. When you're logged into your account, then you can navigate to the Sent Item or Manage tab in your Docusign dashboard. This is where you'll find the list of documents that you've sent for signature. Or you can also go ahead and locate this option from the left hand side bar, that is shared folders. Just go ahead and click on it. When you locate that, you can go ahead and view the list of sent documents. You'll see the status of each documents that you've sent. So you can go through it, and then accordingly you can find the delivery date, the delivered time, date, and sign in and all that. And to view the details, you can go ahead and click the document name or the status to view more details about the status history, and you'll see the information such as when the document was sent, who has viewed it and who has signed it, and other relevant information as well. And Docusign also sends notification to your email inbox or mobile devices whenever there's an update to the status of the documents that you've sent. So that's how you can track the status of your documents that you've sent on Docusign. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.